Okay, so this is how you go about using SketchUp to create a drawer organizer. The first thing you need to do is zoom in. You need to use the square tool. The interface might look slightly different on your computer, and when you draw out this sort of rectangle on the floor, you can actually input the sizes before you click away. So the sizes would be 340 on this particular one, comma 180. I am of course working in millimeters, and that's what it's going to make it. I can check these measurements by using the dimension tool and clicking to the corners of this, which I'd like you to do as well, to put measurements on there. Now once this has been measured, what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise it up by 10 millimeters. So I'm going to use the push-pull, which is the little sort of square box with the arrow on it, and I'm going to put in 10. Alright, brilliant. Okay, so that's my first bit done. The next bits are slightly more difficult. What I'm going to be doing is drawing along from one corner, and it snaps to the corner, and it's going to be 340, comma 10. And that's my outside wall. Alright, I'm going to do the exact same on the other side. I have to click at both corners, and it's 340 minus 10. Okay, because basically it's 10 going the other way, if you like. So let's say 340, comma, and then minus 10. And that should, oh no, it's gone the wrong way. 340, oh, hang on. If you have any trouble with the tools, just press escape. So let's try 340, comma 10. See what happens. Yes, that worked fine. So you don't need to do the minus. The same thing here. So that's now going to be 160, comma 10. And then you have to do 160, comma 10 again. 160. You can try draw it out, but it's really difficult to draw it out. I would strongly advise that you use the measurement each time. 160, 10. And even then it can kind of, it might go wrong. So just undo it if it does. Let's try that again. 160, 10, comma 10. Obviously your measurements might differ to this. As well as that, on this particular one, there is a box which goes along by 80. So I'm going to do 160, comma 80. And then I'm going to draw another wall on the outside of this, which is now going to be 80, comma 10, and so on. And sort of like what I'm doing is I'm building up the walls on the inside as well. Okay, so this is going to be 320, 10, because all the walls are 10, and that's sort of my floor plan, if you like, for the drawer organizer. I can raise up one, which is 10, raise up another one, which is 10, and all the other ones sort of snap to that height, because SketchUp is quite intuitive. And there we go. And that's how you do a drawer organizer. If you want to actually add some color, you can select the whole thing, and then you can use the paint bucket, and you can use colors. And be warned, this all looks a bit different actually online. So, you know, and that's how you make a drawer organizer. Okay, if that actually works, great. Okay. Okay, you can actually select different parts of it as well. Thanks for watching.